Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. If you find yourself feeling anxious or worried and there's too much going on in your head, this practice is a good one to do. I find that steady, rhythmic breathing helps to calm me down, get out of the head and more into the body, and relieve some of those anxiety feelings. But before we begin, if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you'd like to expand your practice, please consider joining my membership site. You can find more details on my website. So let's begin today's practice, and I hope you feel better afterwards. Stand up straight and relax your whole body. Tuck your tailbone in to lengthen through your spine and the crown of the head. Begin by rubbing your hands together until they feel nice and warm. Bring your attention to the hands and the sensations in the center of your palms. Then dry wash your hands and massage the center of your palm. Same on the other hand. Dry wash your hands one more time. Then place one hand on your chest, another on your belly. Gently circle around, bringing your awareness to the chest and your abdomen. Relax your chest and open your belly. Then change hands and repeat. Feel the warmth from your hands as you do this exercise. From here, place both hands on your belly. We're going to be breathing in and out the nose, deep into your abdomen. Exhale first, letting your belly contract. Inhale, feel your belly expanding into your hands. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed, taking long, slow, steady breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently massage the belly clockwise. Change the direction. And relax. From here, begin moving your hips. We're going to be breathing in through the nose and out the mouth, taking long, slow, steady breath. Breathe in, arms float up. Breathe out and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed, focusing on your breath. The goal here is to keep your breath long, slow, and steady. Breathe in, opening your entire body. Breathe out, softening and letting go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, breathe in, opening your arm to the side. Breathe out and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed, letting your breath to match the movement so it feels natural and easy. Breathe in, opening your chest. Breathe out, softening and relaxing. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands, but keep the rhythm going. Breathe in, gathering the calming energy around you. Breathe out, letting it flow through and out the body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, visualizing a soothing energy filling your body. Breathe out, sending negative energy down and out through your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Stay relaxed and soft, simply enjoying the moment that you have here with your body and your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let your hands relax by the side and notice how you feel. Do a quick mental check of your body. Feel your chest and your heart center. Notice your belly and the area inside it. Feel your palms and your feet. We're going to finish today's practice with a body massage. Starting from your face, move to the head, then down to the chest, then go to the kidneys, and down the back of the legs. Let your fingers gently brush your toes and lengthen through the spine. Slowly raise up. Repeat 2 more times. Stress and anxiety are both up-moving energies. This exercise helps to guide the energy down, away from the head, and balance its natural flow throughout the body. One more time. Then let your hands rest on your abdomen. Then bring your feet together. Relax and finish your practice. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.